Adrian was facing a nightmare scenario. The SSD he relied on for his business had failed, and with it, critical files from a major project for one of his largest clients he'd been working on had vanished. With a major milestone of the project and end-of-year holidays looming, Adrian had to get this fixed and fast. He sent it through to Payam Data as a priority job where they worked on it straight away. Hi, it's Mike here, and I came in to watch one of their data recovery engineers work through this challenging case study. He started by diagnosing Adrian's failed SSD, a 2.5-inch drive. Adrian had complained that the SSD wasn't being recognized by his computer. Fast testing revealed the problem. The SSD was suffering from NAND degradation. NAND is the flash memory chip that actually stores all your data, and when it degrades, your files become inaccessible. After powering up, the drive would fall into a busy state, making it inaccessible through normal means. But the data recovery engineer had specialized tools for exactly this type of case. Using compatible software, he worked to rebuild the Translator, the critical component that allows the computer to communicate with the drive storage. With the Translator rebuilt, the data began copying. While the engineer explained that the recovery wouldn't be perfect, mostly raw data rather than 100% of the original files, Adrian would get the majority of his work back. When your data is on the line and you've exhausted every other option, Payam Data Recovery has the specialized expertise and advanced tools to tackle even the most complex cases. Because when it's your business, some things are simply too important to lose. Thanks for watching.